let's take you to court for another murder for the insurance payout story. Mathabo Motsieloa is accused of the murder of her relative, Gift Mokate, for a 1.2 million rand insurance payout. She then allegedly dated the investigating officer to derail investigations. She's said to have then worked with the alleged accomplice and the investigating officer to kill a police commander when Mokate's murder case was not dropped. So Linda Mnisi, who is tracking this story for us, joins us now live. Linda, so the cross-examination of this alleged accomplice turned state witness, Raohang Ntai, has been taking place today. Tell us how that went.
Indeed, Michelle. So she's been facing questions really around the alleged bribe that was given to the police commander before he passed away or before he was killed in that alleged hit. And basically the defense trying to establish which one came first and the months that led to the execution of the alleged hit. And what the witness has been saying is that in 2023, before the police commander was bribed, he was given a bottle of whiskey, allegedly by accused number one. That's Mathabo Motsieloa. But then after that, there is an amount of about 80,000 rands that he was given. And previous testimony, in a previous testimony rather, she's said to have told the court that 80,000 rand was given to him because it was known that he wanted to buy a vehicle. So it was part of a bribe for him to stop the case. And when he did not stop the case, she, that is Mathabo, accused number one, together with the accomplice and the person that was initially investigating Gift Mokate's murder, the investigating officer, then plotted to have the police commander killed. So she was also facing questions about what happened to the vehicle that was bought with the money that was given to the police commander. And in a previous testimony, she told the court that that particular vehicle was taken after the killing of the police commander and was sold. So at the end of this cross-examination by the lawyer for accused number one, she was basically putting a version to say she was not involved in any form of corruption. First with the murder of Gift Mokate and the subsequent alleged bribing of the investigating officer, but also the issue around bribing the police commander, then being involved in the murder of the police commander. So at the moment, that cross-examination is done, and she is expected to face further cross-examination on the 23rd of June from Advocate Zandile Mshololo. You'd recall Advocate Zandile Mshololo is a defense lawyer in the Senzo Meyiwa case. Well, in this matter, she's representing accused number two, who is alleged to have carried out the murder on the first deceased, being Gift Mokate. She's told the court, Advocate Mshololo that is, that she's not ready to proceed because she's still awaiting documents related to an ID parade that was conducted. The judge asking why that information is important, because it was not led by the state in particular for this witness. And she said, well, it is quite important, and that is why she is waiting for that particular information. So at this moment, the matter is postponed, also because the prosecutor has other cases in higher courts at the SCA, which starts tomorrow, but also the issue around these documents still outstanding is indeed one of the things that had to be considered. So come the 23rd of June, she will start with cross-examination of this state witness. Michelle?
I mean, Linda, is it just me, or are we seeing more and more of these murder for insurance payout stories since the likes of Rosemary and Ndlovu? Either that, or it's been happening all along, and we're only now sort of cottoning on to just how rife it is.
Absolutely, Michelle. And your question is also seemingly linking the case of Rosemary Ndlovu. And if you recall, hers started way back in the early 2010s. And it seems this has been going on for quite some time. But what we're seeing at the moment, perhaps one could attribute to the number of cases that are reported. The only way that those cases can get to the courts is if they're reported and if there are investigations. At this moment, we're seeing that there is a rise in the number of arrests, and that is why we're seeing more and more of those. Michelle?
Linda Mnisi, thanks very much indeed for that update.